Ma'am, your voice is not clear. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। आपको कैसे पता चला बेटा मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है तो देखने में आवाज में कैसे नहीं दिखा आप कैसे सुन पा रहे हैं तो बता दो मेरे साइड में
Yes, beta. Now can you hear? Can you hear my sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see kids, I am trying to turn on my video. Okay. मैं अपना वीडियो ऑन करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. मैं कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो भी दिखाई दे, then please give a thumbs up. Yes. Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And can you hear me properly? You can also see me, but can you with this can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Okay. So let us start with attendance. Okay. So I will quickly take your attendance and then we will start today's class. Okay. So everyone, please be ready for your attendance. As I say your name, you have to say yes, ma'am or present, ma'am. Okay. Kulatya Aghara.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dharam Khorania.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kitros.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Daksh Dekharia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Ayo Detroja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Princy Detroja. Madhav Faladia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Manasvi Jetloja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
जल्दी करिए.
Sagar.
Present,
Okay. Navya Kela.
present, ma'am.
Okay. Kriyansh Savar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kiran Khandeka. Nirmit Mistry.
Ma'am, Nirmit Mistry present.
Okay. Naksh Patadia. Arav Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Durva Patel.
Durva Patel is present.
Okay. Nitya Raj.
Nitya Raj is present, ma'am.
Okay. Shlok Sanja.
Shlok Sanja is present, ma'am.
Okay. Kevin Savaria.
Present.
Okay. Jignasa Senapati.
Jignasa Senapati is present, ma'am.
Okay. Sakshi Sharma. Shraddha Undavya.
Shraddha Undavya is present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruva Mangja.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Hasti Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Trisha Pataria. Devesh. Devesh Mungia.
Devesh Munja is present, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Okay, kids. So in our last class,
Present, ma'am.
yes, Hasti, your attendance is done. Everyone's attendance is done. So don't worry, everyone. Okay. So let us start with today's class work, kids. So in last class we did language ladder, pre-reading portion, and reading of the chapter. Okay, kids. Now here okay. So today we will continue with our textbook reading of the chapter. Okay. So everyone please open page number 24 in your English textbook. Open page number 24 in English textbook. Now take it as we are going to read from the textbook.
Ma'am,
इंग्लिश बेटा इंग्लिश ऐसे हम इंग्लिश से कर रहे हैं अभी. वी आर नॉट डूइंग इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. ओके. सो इंग्लिश. So take out your English textbook and in that open page number 24 and we will do reading of the chapter. Okay, so as I need to adjust my phone, so I am turning off my mic and no one will turn on their mic. Beta, please keep your mic off. Okay. So everyone be ready with your textbook.
मैम आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है.
बेटा अभी मैंने यही तो कहा that as I need to adjust my phone, so that's why मैं अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर रही हूँ. Now everyone, can you see this page? Then please give thumbs up in the chat box so that I will continue, so that we can continue with our class. Okay, so you can see the whole page, right? Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay. So here first of all you will write CW and today's date. Okay, that is 10/5/21. So write CW and today's date. Okay, so let us start. So in last class we saw that grandpa lost his glasses and grandma asked grandpa to ask the children that this is a game and they have to find them. Okay, so now let us continue. Good idea, said grandpa. तो grandpa ने कहा कि ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है. Children, he called. Grandpa called children. उन्होंने children को बुलाया. So in this picture you can see, I have an interesting game for you. Okay, so उन्होंने children से कहा that मेरे पास आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही interesting सी game है. Please underline word interesting. Please underline this. Interesting. Underline word interesting. Vinny, Alia, Hina and Rohan came running from the garden. So the children were in the garden. वो garden में थे. तो वहाँ से they came running from the garden. तो garden में से वो अंदर आए. उनके ग्रैंडपा ने उन्हें बुलाया ना. So please underline the word running. Okay. Now, what is the game? Grandpa asked Vinny. तो विनी ने अपने ग्रैंडपा से पूछा कि गेम क्या है. ग्रैंडपा, what is the game? Grandma said. फिर ग्रैंडमा ने कहा लंच इज नियरली रेडी. लंच जो है वो रेडी होने आया है. योर गेम शुड बी ए क्विक गेम. So your game should be a quick one. Okay, so it should be over within some time as lunch is nearly ready. Please underline quick. Quick means fast. Okay, तो ग्रैंडमा ने कहा कि लंच नियरली रेडी हो गया है, एंड तो आपकी गेम जो हो वो फास्ट होनी चाहिए. It will be a really quick game, answered Grandpa. Then Grandpa ने आंसर दिया that yes, it will be a quick game. वो एक क्विक गेम होगी. He continued. फिर उन्होंने कहा I have hidden. See kids, this is hidden. Hidden means छुपाना. Okay, please underline this word. I have hidden my glasses somewhere in the house. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने अपने ग्लासेस हाउस में कहीं पे छुपा दिए हैं. The first one to find them will get. तो जो फर्स्ट वन होगा कि जो मेरे ग्लासेस को सर्च करेगा, फाइंड करेगा, they will get. अभी तो वो बोले आगे उससे पहले ही सी. एंड एक्स्ट्रा आइसक्रीम आज आलिया. तो आलिया ने उनसे पूछा कि उन्हें एक्स्ट्रा आइसक्रीम मिलेगी. नाउ सी किड्स, हियर वर्ड एक्स्ट्रा. इन दिस E, the beginning sound is vowel, that is E, okay, extra. So A is beginning sound, that is vowel, so that's why here N is used. Maybe, laughed Grandpa. तो Grandpa ने हंसते हुए कहा कि maybe, शायद. I am going to Grandpa's bedroom, said Hina. हिना ने कहा कि मैं ग्रैंडपा के बेडरूम में जा रही हूँ so that she can search there. All the children started looking for the glasses, and see in the picture you can see that all the children started searching for Grandpa's glasses. Here you have to underline laughed, okay? They looked in the bedroom. सभी ने they looked in the bathroom. उन्होंने बाथरूम में भी देखा. They looked in the dining room. They even looked in the dining room. They searched the glasses in the dining room as well. We can't find them anywhere. Right? Rohan. रोहन ने फिर कहा, ठीक है. Can't means which we cannot do. Can't is short form of cannot. Cannot मतलब कि जो हम नहीं कर सकते. तो रोहन ने कहा कि मुझे कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रहे. Anywhere मतलब कहीं पर भी. मुझे कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रहे. Please underline the word anywhere. Can you hear me and can you see this page properly? Right, you all can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the chat box. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था तो आई थॉट कि सुनाई दे रहा है या नहीं दे रहा है.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Okay, let us continue.
Ma'am.
Yes, बेटा.
आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही.
बेटा अभी हो जाएगी. ओके, जस्ट वेट फॉर 1 minute. हो जाएगा आपकी भी. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. दूसरों को सुनाई दे रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. लेकिन आपकी फोटो नहीं. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ma'am, are you paused? Ma'am, are you paused?
Yes, what? I am what?
Ma'am, your video is paused.
Yes, beta, it is. I am not doing anything. That's why it looks like it is paused. Okay, see? Okay, so let us continue. Why don't you look in the kitchen? Said Grandpa. So Grandpa asked him that why don't you look in the kitchen? तुम kitchen में क्यों नहीं देखते हो? बेटा please keep your mic.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you can see this page, right? आपको पूरा दिख रहा है ना ये page?
Yes, ma'am. 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 No. Yes.
Okay. Now, the children were busy searching in the cupboard. Now, please underline this word, that is searching. So the children थे वो बिजी हो गए कबर्ड्स में सर्च करने में. प्लीज अपने माइक ऑफ रखो.
Ma'am, your video is आपका वीडियो ऑफ है.
बेटा एक साथ
आपका वीडियो ऑफ है.
ऑफ दिखा रहा है, रुको. नाउ
No, ma'am.
वेट अ मिनट बेटा, जस्ट अ मिनट.
मैम आपका वीडियो है ना ऑफ है.
नाउ
नो मैम. नो मैम. नो मैम. नो मैम. नो मैम.
बेटा वेट अ मिनट. वेट एवरीवन, जस्ट वेट. प्लीज कीप योर माइक ऑफ बेटा, सभी माइक ऑफ है, ऑन है. ओके नाउ
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. Ma'am सबके कैमरा बंद है. No ma'am. नहीं दे रहे आप.
राइट यस और नो बेटा.
No ma'am.
यस.
मैम आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है.
कैन यू
आपका वीडियो बंद है. No ma'am. 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 Oh, No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, was is not coming. Voice is not coming.
But I was not speaking anything. Then how would you be able to listen to me?
Ma'am, I can see your video.
Okay, so,
Ma'am, I
okay,
can see your.
can you hear me now? And can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us continue. Okay. So let us continue. Okay. Okay, see. So the children were busy searching in the cupboard. So they were searching in the cupboard. उन्होंने कबर्ड में सर्च करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. भैया प्लीज अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड. Then searching under the table.
मैम कहाँ?
Page number 25. Here searching.
क्या?
This one. Then searching behind the television. Please underline television. तो उन्होंने टेलीविजन के पीछे भी सर्च किया. Searching under the pile of magazines. See, pile, it is given in this purple box. That is things lying one on top of another. मतलब एक के ऊपर एक जब हम चीज को रखते हैं, so that is pile. And magazine. Magazine is like a small book. Okay, in which there are some advertisements, stories. Okay. So that is magazine. तो उन्होंने magazines का जो पूरा pile था उसके नीचे भी देखा. Please underline pile and magazine. They could not find grandpa's glasses anywhere. लेकिन फिर भी उन्हें grandpa के glasses कहीं पर भी नहीं मिले. Lunch is ready. Stop the game. Come to the table. Called grandma. फिर ग्रैंडमा ने उन्हें बुला लिया कि लंच रेडी हो गया है, अपनी गेम को स्टॉप कर दो एंड टेबल के पास आ जाओ. आलिया सेड सैडली. आलिया ने सैडली कहा. बट वी कुड नॉट फाइंड ग्रैंडपास ग्लासेस. सैडली मीन्स यहाँ पे दिया है इन अ सैड मैनर, सैड होते हुए. तो आलिया ने सैड होते हुए कहा कि लेकिन हमें तो ग्रैंडपा के ग्लासेस मिले ही नहीं. Then all the children went to the table. और सारे ही children टेबल के पास गए. Now think it. Went is the past form of go. Go we use go for present tense and we use went for past tense. I have. See this is VE is short form of have. I have found them. Say grandma. See, grandma ने कहा कि मुझे मिल गए. Where are they? Where are they? All the children asked excitedly. Please underline excitedly. Excitedly means excited होकर. Okay. तो सारे बच्चों ने पूछा excitedly that कहाँ है? Where are they? Grandma pointed at grandpa. देखो pointed means ऐसे उनके सामने ऐसे फिंगर करके वो दिखा रही है. Please underline word pointed. Look, they are on his head. तो उन्होंने grandpa
जल्दी बोलो. अंडरलाइन करना है.
Yes. तो ग्रैंडमा ने ग्रैंडपा के ऐसे पॉइंट करते हुए कहा, लुक दे आर ऑन हिज हेड. वो तो उनके हेड पर ही है. Then All the children looked at grandpa. तो सारे ही children ने grandpa की तरफ देखा. He put his hand up and found his glasses on his head. तो उन्होंने अपना hand अपने head पे रखा और उन्होंने find किया कि yes, उनके glasses तो उनके head पर ही थे. See, here it is given. Everyone started laughing. तो सभी ही हंसने लगे. That was a smart hiding place, said Winnie. तो विनी ने कहा क्यों, ये तो बहुत ही smart है hiding place. This is very smart hiding place. Okay, please underline smart. ये this is hiding यानी कि छुपाने की, hiding place यानी छुपाने की जगह. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये तो बहुत ही स्मार्ट जगह है अपने कोई भी चीज को छुपाने की. Okay, now see the word that we underline. Okay, so that is your today's homework. आपको new words लिखने हैं अपनी 1A notebook में. I will share PDF of this. मैं इसकी PDF आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी. So that
मैम 24 में टेस्ट करना बाकी है.
What?
मैम 24 में टेस्ट करना बाकी है मैम.
क्या बाकी है नित्या?
टेस्ट करना.
तो बेटा मैं साथ साथ जब कह रही थी कि आप करो तो एट दैट टाइम आपने नहीं किया. Why?
सॉरी मैम.
Now everyone please turn page number 26 and we will do understanding exercise. Keep your mic off. Okay, so see this first two true or false we already did. Now we will do from C. Alia found grandpa's glasses. So is it true or false?
False.
Yes, that is false. Alia found grandpa's glasses, so that is false. So here in this blank we have to write false. Yes, that is false. Alia didn't find grandpa's glasses. Now D. Grandma found the glasses. Is it true or false? True. Yes. Very good. Yes. True. So here we have to write true. In this blank we have to write true. See, I will not share PDF of this. So please complete this with me only. I will not share PDF. Now, grandma looked in the kitchen. So true or false? Grandma looked in the kitchen.
False.
That is false. Yes, grandma didn't look in the kitchen.
False.
Children looked. Yes, so here false will come. Very good. So we have to write false. Now question 2. Answer the following question. A. What was the game? What was the game? So the game was to search for grandpa's glasses, right? The children had to search grandpa's glasses, so that was the game. So from here you have to write, okay, start it from here. So the game was, it will be as it is, the game was to search. The game was to search for grandpa's glasses. And then full stop. The game was to search for grandpa's glasses. So the game was to search for grandpa's glasses. Done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So
Done.
next. Okay, next.
Done, ma'am.
Who helped grandpa find the glasses? So who all helped grandpa to find glasses?
Children.
Yes.
Children.
That is, yes, very good. Yes, all the children. Yes. So in place of who? In place of who we will write children. That is all. So start it from here, okay? So that you will be able to complete your answer over here. So all the children. All the children, and from here to here as it is. Helped grandpa find the glasses, and then full stop. So who helped grandpa find the glasses? So that is all the children. So all the children helped grandpa find the glasses.
No.
Okay, everyone? All the children helped grandpa find the glasses.
Done.
Okay, beta, okay.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, just listen to me. Don't turn on your mic because as you turn it on, my screen becomes small. बेटा कोई अपने माइक ऑन मत करो क्योंकि अगर आप अपना माइक ऑन करते हो तो मेरा स्क्रीन छोटा हो जाता है, तो जो लिख रहे हैं उन्हें नहीं दिखेगा. If you want to say done, then write it in the chat box. Okay, now see. Why did the children stop the game? Why did the children stop the game? Yes?
Because lunch is ready. Because lunch is ready.
Yes. Okay.
Because lunch is ready.
Yes. Now see, so the children, take it as the question is in past tense. Okay, this did shows us that here was, here helped, and here did. It shows us that the question is in past tense. So our answer should also be in past tense. So the children stopped. Here stopped. Okay, it will be in past form. The children stopped the game because grandma, क्योंकि grandma ने उन्हें बुला लिया था. Grandma called for lunch. called them for lunch. And then full stop. So the children stopped the game because grandma called them for lunch.
Done, ma'am.
बेटा प्लीज डोंट टर्न ऑन योर माइक. मैं ना वरना सबके माइक यहीं से ऑफ कर दूंगी. अगर अभी किसी ने सिर्फ डन कहने के लिए माइक ऑन किया तो फिर मैं आपके माइक ऑफ कर दूंगी. मैंने अभी अभी बेटा आपको समझाया कि अगर आप अपना माइक ऑन करते हो तो दूसरों को मेरी स्क्रीन छोटी दिखती है, तो उन्हें कैसे ये आंसर दिखेगा. इफ यू वांट टू से दैट आपका वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया है, then you give thumbs up in the chat box or write D or write done. Yes.
मैम, ग्रैंडमा के
Yes.
ग्रैंडमा के बाद क्या लिखा है?
ये वाला.
यस मैम, ग्रैंडमा के बाद क्या लिखा है?
हाँ, वो grandma ही है बेटा. That is grandma. And here it is cold. Cold. CALLED. Cold. Called them for lunch.
Okay मैम, थैंक यू.
Yes. तो children
मैम, धैन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
FOR 4.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
Yes. Called them for lunch. Yes, cold बेटा. CALLED. Cold. Okay. Manasvi done? Okay. And now D, that is last. Why did everyone laugh at the lunch table? So why did everyone laugh at the lunch table? Yes.
Because grandma
Okay. Only one will give answer. Only one will give answer. I am not able to listen to anyone. Okay. Yes, Dhruva.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because grandpa's glasses.
Okay. Yes, Pulaksha.
Ma'am, yes, the question answered. Everyone laughed at the lunch table because grandpa's glasses at his head.
Yes, because grandpa's glasses were on his head. Yes, very good, Pulaksha. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let us write its answer. So everyone laughed. See, again, as the question is in past form, we will write answer in past form only. So everyone laughed. Beta, please keep your mic off. Someone's mic is on. Please keep it off. Okay. So everyone laughed as grandpa's Grandpa's glasses. Grandpa's glasses
Ma'am.
were. हाँ.
और PDF में भेजने वाले हो?
No, question answers I will not share in PDF. Glasses were on his head. And then full stop. So everyone laughed as Grandpa's glasses were on his head. Nitya, please keep your video off. Everyone, keep your mic off. Shraddha, keep your mic off, beta. Yes, everyone laughed as Grandpa's glasses were on his head.
डायरेक्ट मुक दे जो मैंने एग्जाम देवाय से नहीं लॉस થઈ જશે.
Now see kids, this question number 3 is also your today's homework. पहले आप ये समझ लो. Afterwards, Nitya, please keep your video off. Nitya, keep your video off. See, draw the pictures of your grandparents. So here in this circle, you have to draw pictures of your grandparents. See here with my grandma. So here you will draw picture of your grandma and here your grandpa. Then write the activities you do with them and also you have to write activities that you do with them. For example, if you listen to a bhajan or if you listen to stories with your grandma, then you have to write that with my grandma I listen various stories. Okay. And with grandpa, if you go for a walk or if you play board games, then you have to write with my grandpa I play games, I go for a walk. So whatever activities, whatever things you do with your grandma and with your grandpa, that you have to write here and also you have to draw their pictures. Okay, so this is your today's homework. तो आज आपके दो होमवर्क हुए. वेट अ मिनट. तो आज आपके दो होमवर्क हुए. फर्स्ट इज आपको न्यू वर्ड्स लिखने हैं 1A नोटबुक में, जिसकी PDF में शेयर कर दूंगी आपके साथ. एंड अदर इज
होमवर्क करना है.
न्यू वर्ड. Those who have doubts, please write yes in the chat box. Please write yes because आज वीडियो सभी एक साथ अपना ऑडियो ऑन करेंगे तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा. ओके. यस केविन.
मैम देवेश.
No Devesh, I said if you want to ask anything then write yes in the chat box.
मैम
Yes.
हम ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का पासपोर्ट साइज का फोटो चिपका सकते हैं.
बेटा if possible then first try to draw. पहले अगर ड्रॉ करने की जैसा भी आपसे हो, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर परफेक्ट क्योंकि आप कभी बहुत ही छोटे हो, आप किसी का फेस ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. ओके, बट जैसा आपको आए क्यों सर्कल, फिर आप ऐसे दो आईज कर सकते हो, ऐसा फेस कर सकते हो. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द पिक्चर. इट इज ओके. कैसा भी होगा दैट इज ओके. ओके, नाउ यस सुलत्य.
मैम हमको ये सब क्वेश्चन आंसर नोटबुक में लिखते हैं.
बेटा आज नहीं लिखने हैं. आज नहीं लिखने हैं. आज सिर्फ इसमें ही लिखने हैं. अगर कभी लिखने होंगे तो मैं आगे बता दूंगी. आज नहीं लिखने हैं.
ओके मैम.
ओके बेटा, दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस मनस्वी आपको जब एग्जाम होगी तब दी जाएगी. ओके, दिस इज योर इंग्लिश क्लास सो आई कैन गिव यू सच इंस्ट्रक्शंस नाउ. Okay, so now next. Yes, Shraddha, what doubt do you have? Others can leave. Okay, okay. See, before you leave, please, so from today onwards, your exam is starting. So best of luck, everyone, and do your best. And I know you all
Thank
will
you,
do
ma'am.
your best. Okay, so, okay, yes, others can leave. Those who have doubts can stay.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
yes.
आई नो कि
Okay, okay,
है
beta.
ना एग्जाम आंसर चालू
Yes, very good, beta, very good. Yes, okay, others can leave now.
बाय
Others can leave.
मैम
Those who have doubts. Bye, bye, everyone.
आई हैव
No,
अ
no.
मैम
Ask them straight. Those who have doubts. Those who have doubts, say others leave. Leave everyone. Even second C students, please leave as of now. Krisha and Tia, please leave as of now. Afterwards, you again join. Those who have doubts, that stay. Otherwise, others leave. जिसे डाउट नहीं है वो लीव कर सकते हैं, जिसे डाउट है वही रुके. यस मनस्वी, बाय. हम करेंगे.
बाय मैम.
जिसे डाउट नहीं है बेटा, प्लीज लीव. प्लीज लीव. दोज हु डोंट हैव एनी डाउट, प्लीज लीव. यस दक्ष. दक्ष देथरिया. यस. यस आरव पटेल.
मैम
यस.
वो ये है ना ग्रैंडपा और ग्रैंडमा. हाँ
हाँ
उसमें मेरे ग्रैंडपा मुझे खेलने ले जाते, वो लिख सकते हैं हम.
हाँ लिख सकते हैं. जो भी आप अपने ग्रैंडपा के साथ करते हो लिख सकते हो. नित्या,
Okay,
what
ma'am.
doubt do you have? Yes, Nitya.
No doubt.
Then leave, beta. Then leave if you don't have any doubt. Then. Okay then.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Bye.